Austria, a country nestled in the heart of Europe, offers a diverse tapestry of natural beauty, rich history, and cultural treasures. From the imperial elegance of Vienna to the Alpine splendor of Innsbruck and the timeless charm of Hallstatt, Austria promises unforgettable travel experiences. Vienna. Vienna, often referred to as Wien in German, is the capital and largest city of Austria, and it stands as a testament to the country's rich history and vibrant culture. Situated on the banks of the Danube River, Vienna is a city of imperial grandeur, classical music, and artistic excellence. The city's history is palpable in its architecture, with magnificent palaces, historic churches, and grand boulevards that reflect its former role as the heart of the Habsburg Empire. One of the most iconic landmarks is the Schönbrunn Palace, a lavish Baroque residence that was once the summer residence of the Habsburgs. Visitors can explore its opulent rooms and stroll through the meticulously landscaped gardens. Vienna is synonymous with classical music, being the hometown of famous composers such as Mozart, Beethoven, and Strauss. The Vienna State Opera, renowned for its world-class performances, offers a chance to immerse yourself in the musical legacy of the city. The historic city center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a treasure trove of architectural wonders. St. Stephen's Cathedral, with its intricate Gothic design, dominates the skyline. The Hofburg Palace, the former imperial residence, is another must-visit, housing museums that showcase the city's imperial history. Vienna's coffeehouse culture is legendary, and a visit to a traditional Viennese cafe is a delightful experience. Here you can savor a cup of coffee, accompanied by a slice of Sachertorte, a famous Austrian chocolate cake. In Vienna, history, art, music, and culinary delights converge, making it a city that beckons travelers to explore its multifaceted charm and rich heritage. Salzburg. Salzburg, often referred to as the city of Mozart and the Rome of the North, is a jewel of Austria nestled in the foothills of the Eastern Alps. This enchanting city, with its rich musical heritage, stunning Baroque architecture, and picturesque landscapes, has captivated visitors for centuries. The birthplace of the world-renowned composer Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Salzburg pays homage to its musical legacy in various ways. The Mozart Geburtshaus, Mozart's birthplace, is a museum showcasing Mozart's life and work, while the Salzburg Festival, held annually, attracts music enthusiasts from around the globe. You can also enjoy live classical music performances in historic venues throughout the city. Salzburg's Old Town, known as the Altstadt, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, boasting narrow winding streets, medieval and Baroque buildings, and charming squares. Stroll through its cobblestone alleys to discover architectural gems like St. Peter's Abbey and the Residenz Palace. Perched high above the city, the Hohensalzburg Fortress offers not only a glimpse into the city's history, but also breathtaking panoramic views of Salzburg and the surrounding Alpine scenery. The Mirabell Palace and its magnificent gardens are a visual delight and were featured in the beloved film The Sound of Music. Salzburg's commitment to culture extends to its culinary scene, with traditional Austrian cuisine served in cozy taverns and elegant restaurants alike. Salzburg's blend of music, history, and architectural beauty makes it an unforgettable destination that appeals to the senses and the soul. Hallstatt. Hallstatt, often described as one of the most picturesque villages in the world, is a small jewel nestled in the heart of the Austrian Alps. This fairy tale-like village, situated on the shores of Lake Hallstatt and surrounded by the majestic Dachstein Alps, is a place of unparalleled natural beauty and historical significance. The village itself is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. Hallstatt's charm lies in its idyllic setting, with pastel-colored houses reflecting in the crystal-clear waters of the lake. Narrow cobblestone streets wind through the village, leading you to quaint market squares and traditional Alpine houses adorned with colorful flower boxes. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks along the lakeside promenade, where you can soak in the serene ambiance and take in breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks. For a more elevated perspective, the Hallstatt Skywalk, a viewing platform accessible by funicular, offers panoramic vistas of the village and the lake below. Hallstatt's historical significance is tied to its salt mining heritage, dating back thousands of years. The Hallstatt salt mine, one of the world's oldest, can be explored through guided tours, giving you a glimpse into the region's geological and cultural history. The Hallstatt-Dockstein/Salzkammergut cultural landscape, of which Hallstatt is a part, is not just a visual feast, but also a place where you can connect with Austria's ancient past and the breathtaking Alpine scenery that surrounds it. It's a destination that invites travelers to step into a storybook setting and experience the natural wonders of the Austrian Alps. Innsbruck, the capital of the Tyrol region in Austria, is a city where the grandeur of the Austrian Alps meets rich historical heritage. Nestled in a valley surrounded by majestic peaks, Innsbruck is a year-round destination that appeals to both outdoor enthusiasts and those seeking cultural experiences. One of the city's most striking features is its blend of historical charm and stunning alpine landscapes. The Old Town, with its colorful facades and historic buildings, is a testament to Innsbruck's past as an important trading and administrative center. The Golden Roof, Goldenes Dackel, an iconic landmark adorned with thousands of gilded copper tiles, is a must-see. In the winter months, Innsbruck transforms into a winter sports paradise. The city is a gateway to numerous ski resorts, including the Nordket, which is accessible via funicular and cable car, and offers superb skiing and snowboarding opportunities. In the warmer seasons, the surrounding mountains provide a playground for hikers, mountaineers, and nature lovers. The Nordket cable car takes visitors to high alpine landscapes in just a few minutes, offering panoramic views of the city and the Inn Valley. Innsbruck is also rich in cultural experiences. The Hofburg Palace, once the residence of the Habsburgs, houses several museums that showcase the city's imperial history and art. The court church, Hofkirche, is known for its stunning tomb memorial to Emperor Maximilian I. With its unique blend of historical heritage and natural beauty, Innsbruck offers a diverse range of activities and experiences for travelers, making it a captivating destination in the heart of the Austrian Alps. The Wachau Valley. The Wachau Valley, a UNESCO-listed cultural landscape, is a picturesque gem situated along the banks of the majestic Danube River in Austria. This enchanting region is renowned for its breathtaking vineyards, charming medieval towns, and historical landmarks, making it a destination that beautifully marries history, culture, and natural beauty. Dürnstein, one of the Wachau Valley's most celebrated villages, is famous for its blue and white Baroque church and the ruins of Dürnstein Castle. The town's cobbled streets and quaint market square evoke a sense of timelessness, inviting visitors to explore its historic streets. The Melk Abbey, a magnificent Baroque monastery perched on a hill overlooking the Danube, is an iconic symbol of the region. Its ornate library, adorned with frescoes and ancient manuscripts, is a treasure trove of knowledge and art. The beautifully landscaped Abbey Gardens provide a tranquil retreat. Wine enthusiasts will find the Wachau Valley particularly appealing, as it's known for producing some of Austria's finest wines. The region's vineyards, draped across terraced hillsides, yield exquisite white wines, particularly Gruner Veltliner and Riesling. Tasting rooms and wine cellars offer opportunities to savor these exceptional vintages. A leisurely river cruise along the Danube is a delightful way to explore the Wachau Valley, offering passengers a front-row seat to the region's stunning scenery and historical landmarks. As you glide along the river, you'll be treated to panoramic views of vineyard-clad hillsides, charming villages, and rugged cliffs. The Wachau Valley is a place where history, culture, and natural beauty converge, creating an idyllic setting that beckons travelers to savor its charm and embrace the rich heritage of this exquisite Austrian region. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.